Chef Alicia here with the Rainbow Chefs Academy, and I wanted to just take you all on a little tour of our Rainbow Chef Toolkit backpack. This toolkit we put together with everything that you need to be an amazing Rainbow Chef from the comfort of your own home. So let's take a peek inside, shall we? All right, the first thing that I pull out are these amazing prep bowls. So to put your mise en place out, we like to cut things up, add them into small bowls so that they're easy to access and everything stays really neat and organized when you have this many beautiful bowls with pour spouts. And then no chef is complete without a proper cutting board. You've got a cutting board included in your chef's toolkit, along with a nice, safe knife, parent approved, that you can chop your herbs and lettuces and get all of your cutting done safely. Then for the stirring department, we've got both a rubber spatula and a mixing spoon. That'll help you out with all your baking projects. We've of course got a lovely grater for grating your vegetables as well as cheese or anything else you might want to grate in the Rainbow Chefs Academy. It's got a little rubber stopper on the bottom so that it doesn't slip when you're trying to cut safely. We've got a whisk, of course, for all your emulsifications and your batter needs. When you want to measure things out, we've got you covered. In your chef's toolkit, you've got a 10-piece dry measuring cup and spoon set, which has everything all the way down to an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Right? Clearly labeled, easy to see. And when you're not measuring dry ingredients, you want to measure some liquid ingredients, we've got a lovely liquid measuring cup for you too. So a nice 2-cup measuring cup, easy pour spout, easy to see, get down at eye level and just check out what you're doing there. Right. Last but not least, we want those veggies to be clean when we're eating them, so we've got a nice little veggie scrub brush included in your Rainbow Chef's backpack. Wait, there's more. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. We've got a peeler. You want to peel some carrots? You want to peel your broccoli and use your broccoli stalks? Got a little peeler included in the chef kit just for you. So many amazing things in there. We really tried to think of everything so that when you cook along with the Rainbow Chefs Academy, you have everything you need right here in this toolkit.